Good afternoon. I'm Alan Donoman, the inventor and co-owner of RollBedder LLC. RollBedder is a startup company we started last year, and our main project is a very simple roller that fits in the back of pickup cargo trucks to make hauling better. You can haul better with RollBedder. Basically there's a lot of pickup trucks sold. Over 3 million pickup trucks per year in the USA alone. This system fits in the major OEM pickups, the Fords, the Chevys, GMCs, Dodge, Dakotas, Dodge Rams, etc. And really makes hauling easier. Basically, the rollers, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 of them set down in the grooves. They're a low profile roller, very simple, very durable, very reliable. No drilling required, no tools needed. Basically, a lot of do-it-yourself people are utilizing, ordering them up. You put them in the grooves and they'll follow that groove front to rear in there. And then we have optional side storage boxes that go along the side of the pickup truck. Just adds the enhancement of storing tow ropes, jumper cables and things on each side. And then we make also, you can get it down at your local hardware store, down at Lowe's, down at Menards, Home Depot, things like that. A piece of durable exterior grade 3/4 plywood. The ones we sell and build also have a poly biliner on the bottom, and we cover the top with carpet to keep things from sliding around on there, hold them in place, and that protects your floor so your floor of your pickup truck doesn't get damaged. I always keep my toolbox up front. Do a lot of work in this agricultural business world, but it's great for contractors and delivery people. Toolbox up front, that would be tough to get to, but with the biliner, you can roll it in the front, have it in the front, or have it in the back. Carol, please help me lift this up, and we'll set it in there. So once you have the rollers down and in place, come in with the biliner, put them in there, and they just start going up on the rollers. And as it progresses forward, those rollers roll forward with it half the distance and carry the load. So they just go right in, close up the toolbox. Our biliners are built to fit between the wheel wells and from the front to the back. Keep it from moving around, rolling around while you're driving around. Close it up, and there you go. You get to your destination. You avoid the pain point of having to crawl up in front to get anything or tool out. You just roll it on out, get it to the point where you can get easy access to your tools, to your parts, everything. Get done, roll it back in there. Anyway, it's a nice solution to a problem that people have. Net profit wise, we sell these little boxes for $40 for 4 rollers. We make a 75% gross margin on it. With over 100 million potential customers out there, if we get 1% of the market, we make a very good profit along the way. Competition wise, there's another unit out there called the deck system, but it takes up 10 inches of room on the bottom, requires anchoring down or fastening or drilling to the floorboard to install it and put it in place. Or the glider system. Those are expensive. Those are $1,200 to $1,400 versus a simple little starter 4-roller RollBedder system. If we get the money, win some StartUp MHK, we want to expand this to manufacturing side boxes and biliners in Manhattan. And with that, there's actually 250, another 250, and a headboard potential market up there for our $800, $900 complete system that can be customized for you tailgaters or for people that are doing delivery system that's growing. Kits also fit in the bottom of cargo vans. Location-wise, we're also looking at expanding this into a franchise. One in Manhattan would be RollBedder 66502. Thank you, and have a great day.